Hello, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can add collection list page to the main navigation menu. Now the first thing you need to do is you want to click on content. Okay, now you just need to log into your Shopify dashboard and then click on content. After that you want to click on menus. Now after that you can either add all collection list to the main menu, or you can also add it to the footer menu. I'm going to be showing you how you can do this easily. Now I'm going to start with main menu. Click on it, and then here you want to scroll down and click on add main menu item. Okay, at the bottom click on it and then click on label. You want to select, for example, all collections. Now after that, here it says link, you want to select your collections and then you want to select all collections and then click on save. You can also move this to the top. For example, now if like I'm going to go now to my Shopify stores, you can see 3 different menus here. I'm going to reload this and another one will pop up. Just give it a few seconds, by the way. It will take a few seconds. As you can see, all collections. Now when you click on all collections, you will be able to see all the collections. Now you can also move this all collections button and replace it. So for example, move it to the catalog place, for example, and catalog will be in the all collections place. Now you just need to press and hold and move it anywhere you want. Okay, press and hold, you can move it anywhere. Click on save. Now the place of all collections will change. As you can see, it will make it easier for customers to click on it. I'm going to reload this. As you can see, all collections now is the first thing buyers see, so they will be able to click on all collections. Now you can also add it in the footer. The same process, just click on menus, then click on footer menu. Now you want to click on add again, add menu item. Now the same thing, all collections. I'm going to do that right now. Okay, all collections, and yeah, collections here, the link again, the same thing, collections, all collections. Click on save, and now you'll be able to see it in the footer. That's how it works. Hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. If you want this to pop up on your store, like welcome to new store, like this sliding announcement, as you can see, you can click on the video in the screen to add this. Hopefully this tutorial helped you. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated.